Hi, good evening, everyone. So, beta, in the last class, we had gone ahead and we had talked about bad goods, right? And we had seen how to go about making the indifference curve for bad goods, right? Today, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to continue. And in today's lecture, we are going to go ahead and we are going to talk about neutral goods, right? So what is the name of the topic today? Neutral goods. Let me just write this down for you. Neutral goods. What are neutral goods? Those goods which neither increase nor decrease the utility of the consumer. जो गुड ना कंज्यूमर की यूटिलिटी बढ़ाते हैं ना कम करते हैं, दे नीदर इंक्रीज नॉर डिक्रीज द यूटिलिटी ऑफ द कंज्यूमर. उनके होने या ना होने से कंज्यूमर को कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. तो वो जो गुड्स होते हैं उन्हीं को हम न्यूट्रल गुड्स बोलते हैं. द कंज्यूमर डज नॉट केयर अबाउट सच गुड्स, right? He doesn't care whether he has 1 unit, 2 unit or 0 units of those goods. They are called as neutral goods. Okay, is this making sense? Please write it down with me. So those goods which neither increase nor decrease the utility of consumer. The satisfaction of the consumer, the benefit that the consumer is getting, जो भी उसे satisfaction मिल रही है, जो भी उसे benefit मिल रहा है, it is neither increasing nor decreasing, right? If that is the case, then those goods are called as neutral goods. उन्हीं को हम neutral goods बोल देते हैं. Is that making sense? So please write down. These are the goods for which consumer doesn't care in one way or the other, right? So for example, let's say that for me, let's say that water is a neutral good. मतलब आप मुझे 1 unit पानी का दो या 2 unit या 10 unit, I don't care, right? So I am neutral about water. तो देखो जरा ध्यान से, how will be the indifference curve, beta? Suppose I tell you that I have taken water here, ठीक है, and I tell you that I have taken, suppose, pizza here, ठीक है. What I am saying, beta, pizza is a good. Pizza is a good. Good means what? Good means that when I will increase the consumption of pizza, my utility will increase. अगर हम पिज्जा का कंजम्पशन बढ़ाते हैं तो यूटिलिटी बढ़ेगी. My utility will increase. My satisfaction will increase. So if I increase the consumption of pizza, my utility will increase, beta. ठीक है जी. But if we increase consumption of water, utility unchanged. अगर वाटर का कंजम्पशन इंक्रीज करते हैं, then the utility will not change. But if we increase the consumption of pizza, utility will increase. तो देखो ध्यान से, whether I have 1 unit of water, 2 unit of water, 3 unit of water, as long as I have 1 pizza, I am getting same utility from point A, B and C. है कि नहीं? Point A is 1 pizza, 1 water. Point B is 1 pizza, 2 water. Point C is 1 pizza, 3 water. But water is a neutral good. Water kitna bhi ho, I am not affected. It is a neutral good, right? Increasing water is not increasing my satisfaction, right? So what can I go ahead and say? That I can just pass an indifference curve and I can say this is how my indifference curve will look. Because A, B and C give me same level of utility, I am indifferent between A, B and C. A, B और C के बीच में मैं indifferent हूं. A, B और C मुझे same utility देते हैं. So what can I say? Utility from A, B and C is equal. तो बेटा अगर यूटिलिटी बराबर की है तो एक ही इंडिफरेंस कर्व पे होना जरूरी है. दे विल बी ऑन द सेम इंडिफरेंस कर्व, है ना? सो वी कैन से दैट these 3 points they will be on the same indifference curve. ये एक ही इंडिफरेंस कर्व पर होंगे. And if I want to increase the satisfaction of the consumer, अगर मुझे कंज्यूमर का satisfaction बढ़ाना है, what will I do? I will increase the amount of pizza. So when I will increase the pizza quantity to 2 units, then I will reach a higher indifference curve, IC2. So I can say that my utility from indifference curve 2 is more than my utility from indifference curve 1. IC2, that means indifference curve 2, will give me more utility than indifference curve 1. This is what we can go ahead and we can say. Is it clear, beta? Clear hui ye baat? So this is how we can draw the indifference curve of neutral goods. Okay. Homework question. अब मैं रिवर्स कर रही हूं. Suppose good X is neutral good. Good Y is a good. Then plot the indifference curve map. Map माने 2-3 indifference curve. So many indifference curve together are called as indifference curve map. So what am I saying? Now take the neutral good on the x-axis. Take the good on the y-axis and try to go ahead and plot the indifference curve map. Okay? Okay, beta. Thank you.